Commencing with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Allah Almighty is the creator of you, me, and this whole universe by the grace of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Respectable, reputable, adorable, esteemed, dear sir, and all dear friends, I greet you with Assalamu alaikum. The topic on which I have the opportunity to speak today is namely offer prayer. My dear, offer prayer, it is obligatory on mankind. Every human is supposed to offer prayer. My dear, offering prayer, it is the way that it close to you, Allah Almighty. Offering prayer is such a work which believer only do. The don't believer do. And there are many sources to get nearest to Allah Almighty. One, it is the offering prayer. My dear, at the doomsday, Allah Almighty will not ask from you first question any other. He would ask from you that about offering prayer. Did you offer prayer? If you were offer prayer now, then you would immediately that you will answer to him. And if you don't offer prayer, then you will not answer to him. You might have listened that when the first question of exam is alright, then the next question, second, third, fourth would automatically done by itself. Means it is a what can we say, the source. The Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that there is not forgiveness of leaving prayer. If you are lifting prayer, then consider yourself that you are going to way of destruction. You are destroying your hereafter. The one who offer prayers, he has heart, and his heart is like a red rose. His heart is clean from negativity, from badness. His thoughts are positive. His thinking process is very nice and very glorious. It is said that if you leave fast, you can do a qaza. If you leave what can we say that sunnah, it doesn't matter. But when you leave a obligatory prayer, then it would not be qaza. There is no any type of qaza. If you are not offering prayer, I would advise you, I would recommend you, and I would suggesting you that please keep on offering prayer, because offering prayer, it is the most important work. The first and foremost duty of us is that offer prayer regularly 5 times. If you are not performing any single prayer like Fajr or Zohar or noon prayer or evening prayer, then imagine that how much time did you get sin? Do you get sin? My dear, there is a very sin, there is a large sin of leaving offering prayer. Prophet, he don't miss any namaz, any prayer without any if he has work, he offer prayer. If he has any important work, first he used to offer prayer, then he solved a problem. Now today we are free, but we don't offer prayer. we are Muslim, but Muslim were before. Now, my dear, I would advise you that offer prayer, because this world is not forever. We will change our home. That home is forever. First of all, you should offering prayer. You should offer prayer, because offer prayer it is the first source which get you to close Allah Almighty. There is saying that namaz it is the brightening of Islam. When before Muslim and non-Muslim, there was only difference between Muslim and non-Muslim. It was only different that Muslim used to offer prayer and non-Muslim they do not use to offer prayer. That was only different. Now you see that Muslims and non-Muslims they do not offer prayer. There is not any type of difference. Now it is the time that 90% of Muslim they are not offering prayer. 10 or 5% they are offering prayer, but 5% they are offering prayer in what can we say, Gaflat. 5% they are offering prayer with hurriedly. I would advise you that offer prayer, because it is the order of Allah Almighty, and Prophet loves those one who offer prayer. At the end of my speech, I would say that please do not spoil yourself, because this life is too short to see. This life is like a very, very, very small thing. The gift starts